What is the marine environment? Marine habitats or the marine environment is the habitat that supports marine life. The marine life depends in some way or on the saltwater that is in the sea. The marine environment includes the waters of seas and estuaries, the seabed and subsoils, and all the marine wildlife and its sea and its coastal habitats. The marine environment is important because it is a vital resource for life on Earth. Marine ecosystems perform a number of key environmental functions such as regulating the climate, prevent erosion, accumulate and distribute solar energy or absorb carbon dioxide, and lastly maintain biological control. What are the major sources of marine pollution and its impact hazards to human, animals, and the shipping industry? Marine pollution can be defined as anything that contaminates the sea. Common marine pollutants include chemicals, small plastic beads in exfoliants, and also toxic biomatter such as sewage. And lastly, noise, which is caused by excessive traffic around the ocean, which is considered a pollutant because it disrupts the marine life. Causes or sources of marine pollution: toxic chemicals in water, oil spillage, small particles, plastic, litter, and human waste, sewage, the shipping industry, and lastly, dissolved greenhouse gases. The effects of marine pollution: first is oxygen depletion, higher acidity, choking the marine life, spoiling of the birds' feathers, blocking out sunlight, and dangers to human health. Explain the Marpol Convention history, when it was adopted, entered into the force, and its objectives, including all of the regulations of Marpol Annexes 1 to 6. The Marpol Convention was adopted on 2nd of November in 1973 at the IMO. The Protocol of the 1973 was adopted in response to the state of tanker incidents in 1976 to 1977. As the 1973 Marpol Convention had not yet entered into the force, the 1978 Marpol Convention absorbed the parent convention. The annexes are as follows. Annex 1 regulates the prevention of pollution by oil, which was entered into the force in the 2nd of October 1983. Annex 2, regulations for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances in bulk, was entered into the force 2nd of October 1993 at the same year and date as Annex 1. Annex 3, prevention of pollution by harmful substances by carried sea in package form, was entered into force by the 1st of July in 1992. Annex 4, prevention of pollutions by sewage from ships, entered into force 27 September 2003. Annex 5, prevention of pollution by garbage from ships, entered into force 31st of December 1988. Lastly, the 6th Annex, prevention of air pollution from ships, entered into force in the 21st century in the 19th of May 2005.